Time, a mother pleading guilty to aggravated child abuse by neglect, sentenced to 25 years in prison.
34-year-old Bethany Carricker charged with 2 counts of aggravated child abuse by neglect after her 2 baby daughters were found unresponsive in a bathtub. This happening back in May.
Her 15-month-old died. Emergency responders were able to resuscitate the then 19-day-old little girl. According to an arrest report, Carricker said she placed the children in the tub and left the room, returning 10 to 12 minutes later, finding them unresponsive.
New here at 4 o'clock, WATE 6 on your side reporter Kirsty Crawford joining us here in the studio now with new information in the case.
Yeah, it's an emotional day in the Blount County courtroom this morning. Families shedding tears as they watch Bethany Carricker enter the room. And today, for the first time, we're hearing from the girl's father.
To the information in this case charging you with 2 counts of aggravated child neglect, how do you plead? You are not guilty.
Guilty. Bethany Carricker pleading guilty without a trial and without ever taking the stand. New information coming to light, though, about what happened in the home before the tragedy.
Cell phone records would show that over the next several hours, the defendant and her husband exchanged text messages regarding the future of their marriage and the long-term care of their 2 children.
Investigators saying Carricker then left her 15-month-old and 19-day-old daughters alone in a bathtub filled with 6 inches of water for at least 10 minutes. Calliope, the 15-month-old, unable to survive. Penelope, the 19-day-old, hospitalized but recovering. The children's father and Carricker's husband taking the stand after the plea, the sole witness impact statement.
I'm learning how to live again without the most important people in my life, with a new life that needs protecting, and with a life that I failed to protect.
Matthew Carricker saying he supports the prison term Bethany Carricker received. The father also leaving the courtroom with a promise to keep his daughter's memory alive, starting a nonprofit, Calliope Cares, to help other Tennessee families in similar tragic situations.
Calliope would have protected her sister if she could have. She would have protected every child if she could have. And in her death, she will. Calliope will continue to live. Her story will save lives, for she was the martyr we should have never had.
And right now we're waiting on more documents in the case that could answer many of your questions about Bethany Carricker's mental state at the time of the tragedy.
All right, Kirsty, thank you so much. So sad.
Yeah, very much so.
The judge says Bethany Carricker's time in jail pre-trial will count toward her prison sentence.
And she will have to serve at least 85% of the 25 years.